Hi, we're room 24. We're doing a play called Geology Rocks, and there's a lot of words in there that we didn't know very well. So we decided to make a lesson to find out about these words. Here are some of the words we decided to explore. Geology is a study of the earth. As you can see, we live on the outer crust. Underneath us is the mantle, and inside that is the outer core, and in the very center of the earth is the inner core.
The earth is not a solid rock. Inside it has areas of liquid or molten rock. This rock moves in currents which changes how the surface of the earth looks. These pictures show how the continents have moved around over millions of years. The movement of the continents is called continental drift or plate tectonics because the continents move around like plates on the Earth's surface. The ridges on the ocean floor shows where the tectonic plates are spreading apart. This image shows how one plate pushing against another may slide into the Earth's mantle to melt. Here in California, two plates, the Pacific and North American plates, meet along the San Andreas Fault. These plates pushing against or pulling apart away from other plates has changed the look of the Earth and created lots of different kinds of rock. The San Andreas Fault has been the source of many earthquakes. Earthquakes are measured in strength according to the Richter scale. On this scale, being a 10 is not a good thing. The strength of earthquakes are measured by instruments like this seismograph. Volcanoes show the energy that is inside the earth. Melted rock coming out of a volcano is called lava. But molten rock that stays under the ground is called magma. Volcanoes continue to change the shape of the earth. In places like Hawaii, volcanoes continue to build new land. There are different types of eruptions. One of the most dangerous is called a pyroclastic flow, where hot gases, ash, and rock flow down a mountainside at hundreds of miles per hour. It was a pyroclastic flow that killed thousands of people at Pompeii in 79 AD. Once rock has been formed, there are many ways it can be broken down. Weathering breaks down the crystals of rocks, making it crumbly.
Water wears away rock.
Water wears away soil even faster. Wind also erodes rock. This wall has also been eroded by wind.
Glaciers are another cause of erosion.
Notice the gravel on top of the glacier. This glacier is carrying along ground up rock.
As rock is broken down, it may form pebbles. If it is broken down even farther, it becomes gravel. Even smaller is sand, then silt, and then finally clay. Glaciers grinding on rock are excellent at making silt or clay.
There are three types of rocks: igneous, sedimentary, and metamorphic.
All rocks start from igneous rock. Then the igneous rock gets worn down and eroded and may wash out into the seas, and over time may become sedimentary rock. Later on, sedimentary rock might be changed with heat and pressure and transformed into metamorphic rock.
The word igneous means from fire. Igneous rocks start as molten lava or magma.
All rocks start as igneous rock and begin as molten or melted rock. Here are some types of igneous rock.
Basalt,
Granite,
These are sedimentary rocks.
sedimentary rocks form in layers and may seem striped. Sedimentary rocks will break into flat pieces. Fossils are sometimes found in sedimentary rock. Fossils are images of living things that have been covered up and buried. Coal is the remains of plants and animals that have been buried. Coal can be burned for fossil, which is why it is called a fossil fuel.
a sedimentary rock like this may seem to be formed from smaller bits of jumbo rock or gravel.
Limestone is a sedimentary rock. Metamorphic rocks are rocks that have been changed by heat or pressure. Marble. While marble may have started out as limestone, its metamorphosis made it denser and it's carved into statues.
In the Geology Rocks play, there are many words for things dug out of mines. These resources from under the earth are minerals, metals, and gems.
There are minerals such as gold,
Copper
And silver.
and these are metals like aluminum.
lead, and nickel.
And finally, there are minerals like the emerald,
Opal,
Ruby,
sapphire,
and diamond.